Hey guys, welcome once again to the graphics Rin, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to remove any object from an image in Photoshop. So let's begin. Suppose I have this image and I want to remove this small line from this image. What I have to do is, first of all, I will unlock the layer, make selection of the line using lasso tool, try to make a very fine selection. After selecting the line, go to edit, then go to fill, and here select the content aware and mode as normal, opacity as 100%, and click on OK, and you see the line disappears from the image. Now press Ctrl D to deselect. Now I have to remove this blur portion from the image. So what I have to do, just go to clone stamp tool, increase the brush size, take sample from here and brush it over the blur part. Then again take sample from this side and brush it over the blurry part. So you see the small line disappeared from the image. So that's all. Thanks for watching guys, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you.